Greetings to all. The CAPE Forum of By and For You Trust confers awards on various categories for teachers and students in the auspicious Teachers' Day celebration. Teachers' Day wishes to one and all. The first category of award is Distinguished Honor Award 2020. This award is conferred in the recognition for acting as a guide, mentor, and advisor for the CAPE Forum of By and For You Press since its inception, and also for their expertise delivered in teaching and research. The Presidium of CAPE Forum feel honored to honor such great two personalities. One is our Honorable Chief Advisor, Dr. D. Kumaresan, Principal Lakshmi Narayana Arts and Science College for Women, Dharmaburi, Tamil Nadu, India. And the next best renowned person is Dr. T. M. Padmanabhan, Head and Associate Professor of Commerce, S2 Hindu College, Nagarkoil, Tamil Nadu, India. Hearty congratulations on behalf of the forum, dignitaries and all the participants, dear sirs. The next category of award is the Lifetime Teacher Award 2020, being conferred to teachers who are having more than 25 years of experience in teaching and research and had shown their excellency in teaching, research and extracurricular activities. Let me now announce the Lifetime Teacher Awardees. And the awardees are Dr. R. Nageshwari, Head and Associate Professor of Economics, Sita Lakshmi Achi College for Women, Pallatur Sivagangai, Tamil Nadu, India. And Professor Dr. Lakshma Reddy, Principal cum Director, Computer Science, SJES College of Management, Bangalore, India. And the Lifetime Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Professor Dr. Sugandha Kumar Baral, Department of Commerce, Faculty of Commerce and Management, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Madhya Pradesh, India. And the Lifetime Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Dr. J. Mahil Kamalam, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Women's Christian College, Nagarkoil, Tamil Nadu, India. And the Lifetime Teacher Award 2020 is proudly presented to Dr. A. Rama, Head and Associate Professor of Commerce, V.V. Vanyam Perumal College for Women, Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu, India. And the next category of award is Excellent Teacher Award 2020. This award is being conferred to teachers who are having about 20 years of experience in teaching and research and have shown their excellency in teaching, research and extracurricular activities. Let me now announce the Excellent Teacher Awardees. The Excellent Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Professor Satupati Prasanthi Shri, Professor of English, Adikavi Manaya University, MSN Campus, Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh, India. And the Excellent Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Dr. K. Meenakshi Sundaram, Assistant Professor of Economics, Saraswati Narayan College, Perungudi, Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. And the Excellent Teacher Award 2020 is proudly presented to Dr. S. Selvarani, Head and Associate Professor of Commerce, Idya College for Women, Saruguni, Tamil Nadu. And now it's time to announce the Outstanding Teacher Award 2020. This Outstanding Teacher Award 2020 is being conferred to teachers who are having 10 years of experience, about 10 years of experience in teaching and research and had shown their excellency in teaching, research and extracurricular activities. And the awardees are Dr. A.P.S. Gandhimadi, faculty in the Department of Commerce, Madurai Kamaraj University Constituent Arts and Science College, Arupakottai. And the Outstanding Teacher Award 2020 is proudly presented to Dr. S. Rajiv Gandhi, Head of the Department of Mathematics, VHNSN College, Autonomous, Virudhunagar. And the Outstanding Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Dr. S. Muthulakshmi, Assistant Professor of Commerce, VHNSN College, Autonomous, Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu. And the Outstanding Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Dr. S. Krishna Kumari, Associate Professor of Management, Anand Institute of High Technology, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And the Outstanding Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Dr. K. Vineet Muthukrishnan, Head and Assistant Professor of BBA, RVS Kumaran Arts and Science College, Ayurlu, Dindigul. And the Outstanding Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Dr. M. Rajamanikam, Assistant Professor of Management, KSR College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Tiruchenkodu, Tamil Nadu. And the Outstanding Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Mrs. S. Sobita, Assistant Professor of Commerce with Computer Application, Idea College for Women, Saruguni. And the Outstanding Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Dr. Vidya Kala, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Avinash Lingam, Institute of Home Science and Higher Education for Women, Coimbatore. And Outstanding Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Dr. S. Nagalakshmi, Assistant Professor of English, Saraswati Narayan College, Perumpudi, Madurai. And the Outstanding Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Mrs. R. Jayanti, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Idea College for Women, Saraguni. And the next category of award is the Best Teacher Award 2020. It is conferred to the teachers with minimum 2 years and maximum of 10 years of experience in teaching and research and has shown their excellence in teaching, research and extracurricular activities. With the Teachers' Day greetings, let me now announce the Best Teacher Awardees. And the awardees are T. Hemalata, Assistant Professor and Head of BBA, Lata Madhavan Arts and Science College, Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. And the Best Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Mr. Nitin Vilas Kokre, Assistant Professor, Abba Sahib Birnale College of Pharmacy, Sangli, India. And the Best Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Varun Kumar T, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Fatima Mata National College, Autonomous, Kollam, India. And the Best Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Mrs. S. Irish Angelin, Assistant Professor, Apollo Engineering College, Chennai. And the Best Teacher Award 2020 is proudly presented to B. Rajesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, Pragati Engineering College, Surampallam, Andhra Pradesh, India. And the Best Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Parimla S. Assistant Professor, Acharya Institute of Graduate Studies, Bangalore, India. The Best Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Y. Ebenezer, Assistant Professor of Economics, School of Law, Vailtech University, Avadi, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And the Best Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Kiran Kumar Manivannan, Assistant Professor, ABC College of Engineering, Mayiladuthurai, Tamil Nadu, India. And the Best Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to S. Selvanathan, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, SF, VHNSN College, Autonomous, Virudhunagar. And the Best Teacher Award 2020 proudly presented to Dr. G. Priyanka, Assistant Professor, St. Mary's College, Tuticorin. And now it's time to announce the Outstanding Aspirant Award 2020. The Cape Skill Development Forum of By and For You Trust had organized and conducted resume writing competition. 188 students from various districts and states submitted their resume, out of which 10 best resumes with high profile and creativity had been selected for this Outstanding Aspirant Award 2020. And the awardees are Adi Varun B. BSc Computer Science, Sendamare College of Arts and Science, Madurai. Outstanding Aspirant Award 2020 proudly presented to Gayatri S. MBA, Anand Institute of Higher Technology, Chennai. And Outstanding Aspirant Award 2020 proudly presented to Gayatri Gopalakrishnan, BCom LLB, School of Law, Vailtech University. And Outstanding Aspirant Award 2020 proudly presented to Siddharathul Mundaha, BCom, Madurai Kamaraj University, Constituent Arts and Science College, Arpakotai. And the Outstanding Aspirant Award 2020 proudly presented to Mohammad Azrin, MA Tamil, Zamal Muhammad College, Tiruchirappalli. And the Outstanding Aspirant Award 2020 proudly presented to Salunke Parth Sanjay, MMS Marketing, University of Mumbai's Alkesh Dinesh Modi Institute for Financial and Management Studies. And the Outstanding Aspirant Award 2020 proudly presented to Ravi Kumar, MBA in Finance and Marketing, Bangalore Central University. And the Outstanding Aspirant Award 2020 is proudly presented to Tina Benny Thomas, Master of Commerce, Kristu Jayanti College, Bangalore. And the Outstanding Aspirant Award 2020 proudly presented to U. Rajeshwari, MCom, MK University, Hazi Karuta Rauthar Howdia College, Uttamapalayam, Theni. And the Outstanding Aspirant Award 2020 proudly presented to Vasantara Devi R. BCom Honor, B.S. Abdur Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology, Vandalur, Chennai. Now it's time to announce the Technical Excellency Award, a special award to a special student with the technical skill. Here the forum confers an Technical Excellency Award 2020 to Mohan Raj of Anand Institute of Technology, Chennai for his excellency in technical skill. The forum thankful and indebted to him for deputing his time and skill for creating website for the forum. We bless you abundantly for all success in your future endeavor. Congratulations. With this, the heartfelt greetings and Teachers' Day wishes to each and every one of you on behalf of the CAPE Forum UTRES. Special thanks to our sponsor and supporter, First Man Chennai. Thank you, one and all.